In this video I'm going to show you how to make QR code for TikTok. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, open TikTok on your iPhone or Android. It works same way. Then tap on profile icon in this bottom right corner. Then as you can see, here is my TikTok profile. Then tap on three line menu in this top, and here is open pop-up settings, and second option is my QR code. So tap on my QR code, and as you can see, here's open a QR code, and you can share your TikTok profile using this QR code, and or you can scan other people QR code. Just tap on this icon and it will open your camera. Then you can scan other people QR code and go back. Then here is option for copy link. So if you tap here and it's copy it on clipboard, and you can share that link to other people, like that person. Tap on here and paste. Then you can share your TikTok profile using copy, and you can share directly. Just tap on share profile, and it's open lots of platform like Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram. So you can share from here like this. If I tap here Messenger and open Messenger, and here's lots of contact from you select, or just like tap and go back and it's sent to that person. So or you can just play color game like that. Just tap here to play color. So that way you can make QR code for TikTok. Pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next